everybody, it's time to get back to nature and go natural. What can be more natural than a glass enema bucket for home enema cleansing? Today I'm going to show you how to set up your home enema in your bathroom using our Pure Life non-toxic glass enema bucket. This is a great bucket because you can use all kinds of solutions in it: coffee, wheatgrass, essential oils, probiotics, anything, because it cleans so easily. And it has measuring lines that are so visible, and you can see through it to monitor your solution levels. Now first, we're going to want to know where we're going to put the enema bucket for the enema. Now the first place you can put this would be on your toilet seat. That's the perfect height to do an enema. No more than 18 inches above where your rectum will be. Now you'll be laying down on the floor here on your towel or enema mat. So this is a perfect height. The other place that you can place your bucket would be to hang it. So this bucket kit comes with a very strong harness for hanging. You simply place it inside the harness and you're ready to go. Now you will want to have a hook that will be probably about this level here. So again, that it's no more than 18 inches above your rectum. Next, I'm going to show you how to attach your tubing. What's great about the Pure Life kit here is that this one comes with a 4-foot enema colon tube. No need for a nozzle. This is all you need, and the clamp. So, our next step would be to attach the colon tube onto the spigot, which is also made of glass. You'll want to carry it over to the sink area. Next, you'll want to make sure that your enema clamp is tightly closed on the tube. You'll hear the click sound. So, that means it's closed. No water can get through it. You'll put the bucket on your ledge, back of your toilet seat, and you'll be ready to pour your enema solution in. Okay. Next, you're going to want to hold your colon tube over the sink and open up the clamp. And you can lift up your bucket a little so that the water starts flowing out. And that pushes all the air out of the tubing before your enema, so you won't get air in your colon. I might mention that this colon tube is perfect for anyone who wants to go more than 3 inches up the colon, like a nozzle would, 6 inches or so, and it helps to give a higher wash of the colon walls because this colon tube has 2 holes on each side. Another good reason to use this is if you have hemorrhoids, and it's a lot slimmer insertion than the traditional nozzle. Okay, so you're ready to go. You'll want to put your bucket either on the toilet seat or hang it up. You'll lay down on your towel with your back towards the enema bucket. And with one of your hands, your left or your right, you will slowly insert this into the rectum. You may want to lubricate it before with coconut oil or a water-soluble Surgi lube, which we sell. And you're ready to go. You release the clamp and let the solution slowly flow in.